Recap of loops. In class 6th, you must have studied what loops are and what all can be accomplished using loops in a program. Below is the recap. In Python, looping refers to the process of executing a block of code repeatedly until a certain condition is met. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks and iterate over elements in a collection like lists, strings, etc. without having to write the same code multiple times. Python provides two main types of loops. For loop. This loop is used when you want to iterate over a sequence, example a list, string, tuple, or perform a set of actions a predefined number of times. Syntax of a for loop. Output. While loop. This loop is used when you want to repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. Syntax of a while loop. Example of a while loop. Both for and while loops are powerful constructs that help you make your code more efficient and concise, especially when dealing with repetitive tasks or processing elements in collections. However, it's essential to be cautious when loops to avoid infinite loops, where the loop condition never becomes false, leading to the program running indefinitely. Flowchart. The flow of various controls to understand how coding is fetched into the computer to get the desired output. Example 1. Program to print the sum of first 100 natural numbers. You can use a simple Python program to calculate and print the sum of the first 100 natural numbers. Here is the code using a for loop. In the program, we initialize the sum total variable to 0. Then we use a for loop to iterate through the range from 1 to 100, excluding 101. For each iteration, we add the current number to the sum total. Finally, we print the result, which gives us the sum of the first 100 natural numbers, which is 5050. Example 2. Python program to calculate and print the sum of the first 100 natural numbers using a while loop. Output. In this program, we initialize the sum total variable to 0 and the number variable to 1. Then we use a while loop to iterate as long as the number is less than or equal to 100. Inside the loop, we add the current number to the sum total and increment the number by 1 in each iteration. The loop continues until the number becomes 101, which is greater than 100. Finally, we print the result, which gives us the sum of the first 100 natural numbers, which is 5050.